Hello, hello mga langga ko. Hello. And now, it's easy to say. Close this. Pagkatulog mo? Ha? Pagkatulog mo? It's easy today. I know. Put my kilay. Okay, I will transfer my mobile, mga lovers. We're going to... Hello, Abdullah. Maybe you want to send me super sticker, super chat, just to earn money, to make a new, so that I can make a new content. Okay? Can you please? Thank you so much for the 126. Ayan. I move my camera so that my face is clear looking. You can see my beautiful face even though I'm not beautiful. I will put the color of my lips because okay? It's okay. This is only 1 hour or 30 minutes was in front of the camera, and then later I'm going to sleep. Bye. We will be continue to be a silent live stream. Yeah, thank you so much. Last night I don't have viewers, so. And I will wear my magic glasses, okay? So that I feel comfortable if I have a glasses. Oh, okay. So yeah, let's start it already. Again, our live stream tonight. Abdullah, hello Abdullah, Abdullah. You want me? Yeah, you want me really? Maybe you want to send me super sticker, super chat. One 32. Maybe you want to send me super sticker, super chat, just to earn money so that I can make more content. Just to have more to make more content, okay? Hello, hello, good evening everyone. Chuku, chuku, chuku. Julius Cesar, hello, bon dia, mio amor, busy is the molto in Linda Amo busy. Ayan, thank you so much. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much.